Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
In this video, the channel trailer, more specifically the YouTube channel trailer. This is Max Life, and for today's video, we are going to look at what is the importance of creating YouTube channel trailer. Channel trailer are normally short and straight to the point. They are a good introduction for new visitors. This is where you let your audience know who you are, what is your business, and what is your channel all about, and what kind of content to expect to see in the future. If you have already created one, well, that's great. If you haven't, this is the good time to start. Before we get started, if you stumble across this channel and you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit subscribe button, and for some appreciation, hit the bell icon and get notified when I release new videos like this one. Let's get started. You can have your channel trailer shows up for unsubscribed visitors. Remember that movie trailer that you have watched was have a preview of what comes, just like your channel trailer. Your channel trailer will help viewers that are unsubscribed make a decision whether or not to subscribe to your channel or not. If the viewers is already subscribed, they will get what to watch next instead of your channel trailer. Okay, let me jump on a mobile phone and show you how to add channel trailer. Just select Chrome and type www.youtube.com. Before you add your channel trailer, make sure you turn on your channel customization. You could do this by going to your home page, and let me show you. Click on your icon or picture. Click on the blue customization channel button. If you don't see this is maybe you have an older version of YouTube. Once you have clicked the blue customization button, click the gear cog icon here. Toggle on customize of the layout of your channel button here. You should be all set to add your channel trailer. To add your channel trailer is simple. Just follow the steps. Upload the video you want to be your channel trailer. Go to channel you want to manage. Click on the home tab. Click for new visit. Stop. Click edit the pencil icon here. Then select channel trailer. Scroll down below and select the videos you want to be your channel trailer. Just like this one. This is now our channel trailer. Keep your channel trailer short. How long should it be? Maybe less than 2 minutes, but keep it short. Keep it to the point. Make sure you hook the viewers in a few seconds. Show it and don't just tell. Consider giving thumbs up. Please subscribe so I could deliver more videos. Thanks for watching.